Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer voice recordings into Descript for editing, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Descript website. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Follow the prompts to create a new account. If you already have an account, click on the Login button. Enter your credentials and access your Descript workspace. Once inside your workspace, locate the New Project button. Click on New Project to create a fresh editing space. In the pop-up window, give your project a name. Click Create Project to proceed. Now that you're in your project, look for the Import button. Click on Import to start adding your voice recordings. Navigate to the folder where your voice recordings are saved. Select the files you wish to import. You can hold down the Control key to select multiple files. After making your selection, click Open to import them. Descript will begin to upload your selected recordings. Depending on the file size, this may take a moment. Once the upload is complete, your recordings will appear in the project timeline. Click on a recording to highlight it. You can now play it back to ensure it uploaded correctly. If everything looks good, you are ready to start editing. Use the tools in Descript to trim, cut, or enhance your voice recordings. Experiment with features like text-based editing if your recordings have been transcribed. Feel free to explore additional options such as adding music or sound effects. When finished with your edits, you can export the project. Click on the Export button at the top of the screen. Choose your desired format for exporting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.